Well, hey there, Sport Aesthetics. Welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well, or at least as best you can be. Everybody has been in my thoughts, so my best wishes go out to you, your family, friends. I know we're all impacted by this differently. For some of us, it's not that big of a deal, but for some of us, it comes with pretty heavy implications. So just know that I'm thinking of you all as people first. If you need anything moving forward, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll be here to support you. Um, I think as far as our course goes, we've been largely not impacted very much in the sense that we are already an online course. And I think my goal today is really just to once again just let you know that I'm thinking about everybody and show you just a few things that may have changed in regards to our course and then moving forward. So I think the first thing that you might notice here on our learning modules, week 10 has been eliminated. That would be a reflection of OU's extension of our spring break. Now, I do want to say what had happened is there were a few students who actually completed that assignment ahead of time. And through reflection, I decided that that week 10 module that was in this place right here, um, you're going to see that represented here now in this folder that's titled Extra Credit. So that's identically the same module that was posted before. And really what I'd like to do is one, make sure I'm not penalizing people who perhaps already completed that work. But then two, for those of you who have missed assignments throughout the course thus far, or somebody who maybe has not earned the marks that they have wanted to, this is available to you really until the semester's end. So that's week 15. April 24th, if you do find that you have time, interest, or desire to complete this assignment, it's here for you. It's waiting. It'll remain open until that deadline. So that's just extra for you should you choose to do it. Aside from that, week 11, which is really this Monday, this basically opens back up into our path of continuing our material. So we're still on track. We're looking good. And it sounds crazy to say, but ultimately we really only have two assignments left, which is this week 11 module. And then that takes us right into our final project, which is one of my favorite things to do in this course. And you'll hear more from me later on. But um, that's where we're headed. And again, if you need anything, reach out, let me know. And best wishes to everybody.